Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Kohl's. If you don't have an Kohl's account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up for Kohl's online account. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see an option for account. Click on Account. Then click on the Create Account button. Here, enter all the required information, such as your first name, last name, and email address. Then, create a password, and it should not be the same as email or login. Then click on the Create Account button. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for Kohl's. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.